Hello, I'm Ben Suchaitam. This is my presentation on the training plan for automating our school's formative assessment using Google Form. Our overall goal is to increase the frequency of student feedback by automating the process. In terms of where we are in the process, as a school, we are at an early stage of technology integration. The teaching staff is able to, at the very least, use the basic features of Google Apps, such as Classroom. So the next goal is to explore a range of uses, building knowledge, skills, and confidence in order for teachers to be able to choose what is best to enhance learning. The objectives are for teachers to describe examples of uses of Google Form in the classroom, to create their own Google Form to assign to students, and finally to review how well it worked on the forum. Before the training session, there will be a pre-training survey on a Google Form with a few questions to get to know who is coming and differentiate the workshop accordingly. Just like what I would do before teaching a class, 4 basic questions like, how do you currently use technology for formative assessment in your classroom? How would you like to be using technology? On the scale of 1 to 5, how comfortable are you with using technology? Which of these tools would you like to know more about? The training model is a hands-on workshop with a general aim of saturating teachers with multiple tools in order to increase understanding of how technology is used in teaching and learning. The quote, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn," resonates well with professional training of adults. So the session begins with informal sharing of ideas and what teachers know about Google Form already. We have a range of within the audience, so hopefully the digital leaders would be able to share some of their ideas and facilitate the session. Then teachers will be given challenges, Google Form challenges. Each person will choose one idea to develop to assign to students. If they choose to create multiple choice questions, teachers are reminded about features of hinge point questions. Finally, the links to their Google Form is shared on the professional development forum, where they will informally review how the activity worked with their classes. And for the Google Form challenges, the activities are differentiated as the teachers pick what they want to develop and what is suitable for their subjects. There is an immediate use in a personalized way, fitting in with adult learning theory. So now let's look at hinge point questions. For teachers creating quizzes, they are reminded about hinge point questions, which are diagnostic questions. There are multiple choice with incorrect options, the distractors, carefully designed to uncover common misconceptions, ultimately helping to inform where teaching should go next. Let's look at 3 examples to reflect on. So here's one example. Here's another. And a final one. These are all examples that teachers can Google themselves and find out ones that are already made and which ones are suitable for their subject. Thank you for listening.